On Friday, September 16th, Lisa West held an assembly in honor of homecoming, which included lots of dancing, music, and friendly competition. During this assembly, senior Logan Dahmer was crowned homecoming king.
It feels pretty awesome. I'm glad that my peers supported me, and I did not expect to get to this point.
And after a day of festivities, Titans were invited back to cheer on their football team in their homecoming game. And at halftime, senior Elise Snow was crowned homecoming queen. Congratulations to both Nil and Dahmer on their big win.